Holy shit, people. Where do you see this f***ing thing? Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter, and today we're going to be reviewing a bicycle light that'll knock your freaking socks off. This is getting the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hand down. I'm talking, this is freaking incredibly bright. I can't believe in how awesome it is. I mean, it's mind-blowing. It's the Urban 600 light. The brightness is 600 lumens. There are 3 levels of brightness. I'm assuming probably 150, 300, and 600. It's just unbelievably, incredibly bright. It has a 2500 milliamp battery pack inside of it just for the light. And we're going to do an unboxing of it right now. And this light is incredible. The quality that this thing shows, it just shows it off like is no tomorrow. I mean, it's so heavy and it's very, very impressive. It's IPX6 rating. It comes with the holder that goes around the handlebars of your bicycle. And this is what it looks like when it goes on your bicycle. It comes with a USB charging cable, and this is so cool. It comes with a remote switch, so you can, if you wanted to turn on and off the light with the flick of your thumb, it's a remote button, and it plugs into the USB port of the light. This is really, really cool, folks. This gets the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, hands down. I love this thing. I may even just use it as a regular flashlight. It is freaking bright. If you do a lot of bike riding at night, or you do a lot of just anything, even if you had a campground, say you're at a campground and you want your kids to drive around and it's getting dusk out and they want to be able to, this offers so many features. It blinks, it does SOS, it does strobes, it does low, medium, high. It's unbelievable. I can't say it enough how freaking cool this light is. It is freaking bright. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,